How to customize Total Drive. Driving instructor software Total Drive is fully customizable to suit the way you work. Every part of the app is editable, from adding your own skills within the driving syllabus to the lesson reminder message. To get started, open the app and tap the cog icon in the bottom right menu. Then tap Settings. Locations. Locations are your pick-up and drop-off locations used when adding lessons and gaps to your diary. You can also add the address of the location, enabling you to use the built-in sat-nav via Google Maps, Apple Maps or Waze. Diary colours and types. Easily change the colours of your diary. If you prefer your delivered lessons to be pink or your booked driving tests to be bright purple, this is the place to do it. Additional lesson types can be set up too, such as a refresher lesson or using own car lesson. Progress syllabus. The progress syllabus can be completely changed by editing and adding driving skills. For example, if you have a tricky roundabout that pupils often fail on, you can add it into the syllabus as a specific skill they need to master. You can also add additional categories. Reflective logs. Tailor the reflective log questions to suit your teaching style. For many, the 6 existing DVSA questions are fine. However, some instructors prefer to ask their own questions, such as lesson objectives, what went well, and any recent driving with parents. Resources. Resources are accessed by your pupils from their app. You can include website links, PDFs, images, and any other online resources into this section that pupils will find beneficial. Just make sure the link begins HTTPS. Driving school terms. Total Drive provides standard driving school terms and conditions. However, most driving schools have their own school terms. You can either paste your terms into the app or include a website link to them. Before logging into the app, your pupils will need to accept them with a notification sent to you when they do. Lesson reminders. With Total Drive, you can enable lesson reminders to be sent automatically 24, 48, or 72 hours prior to the pupil's lesson. You can also append a message to the push notification reminder, giving that personal touch. There is also the ability to send text message lesson reminders, again with the same options of an appended message and scheduled time. This can be found under the Profile button. Payment reminders. To save admin time, you no longer need to chase pupils for payment. If the pupil doesn't have enough credit to cover the forthcoming lesson, a payment reminder message is automatically sent. The message can be sent 1, 2, or 3 days prior to the lesson and with the written message of your choice. You can also customize the app from the web admin at www.totaldrive.app.